and girls, we're ready for the second part of our OG lesson. This is going to be the part that we would usually do at our desk on paper, our SRS paper, but you can grab a wipe-off board like me or any kind of paper you want to follow along. Let's see if we remember how to do this. Our first sound that we're going to write is the sound of ink, as in pink or wink. Remember, there's no E in this sound. Ink. Remember? It's an I-N-K that says ink. I hear the ink. The sound is kind of different. Ink. Let's try this sound. O, as in home. Remember that long O sound? O, consonant E. Our next sound, ing, as in king. Ing, I-N-G. Our next sound, I, as in kite. That long I sound. I, consonant E. Our next sound, our new suffix sound, as in a helper or a walker, making it become a person, or it can mean more, like bigger. Remember, Our next sound, ang, as in hang, hang up your coat. Ang, A-N-G. I bet you this is all coming back to you now. Our next one, it has three sounds. It's another suffix we add on to the base word, ed, d, or t, and it means in the past. Yes, ed, in the past. Yesterday I walked. Our next sound, as, and it can mean more than one. Remember what we say? When a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. As means more than one, like churches or boxes. Our next sound, ank, as in bank or a bank. Ank. Our next one, our next sound, it's a letter and it says I in a one-syllable word. This says I, as in fly, as in fly guy, our story that we're working on this week. Our Y sounds like an I in a one-syllable word. Our next word, our next sound, I should say, ah. Remember this short sound? O says ah. Our next sound, I. Short sound, I. Just an I. All right. Now let's practice some words. Here we go. Let's practice tapping out. Our first word to tap out, to write, sing. Remember? Sing. Two sounds, two taps. Sing. You write your word, check it with mine. S-I-N-G, sing. Our next word to write. Let's get ready to tap. Batch. Ready? B-A-ch. Three sounds, three taps. Use your beat checker. B-A-ch. Don't forget about TCH. Remember what we say at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled TCH. Batch. Our next word to write, test. Here we go. Let's tap it. Show someone at home that you can tap it. T-E-S-T. Four sounds, four letters. Let's write it. T-E-S-T. There we go. Our last word to write. Let's get ready to tap it. road. Here we go. R-O-D. Ooh, I hear 3 sounds, but we need something on the end to make the O say O. R-O-D. Make sure you're making a D. B checker. Did you get that magic E? That makes the O say O. Road. All right, sing, batch, test, road. All right, we're going to stop for a minute. We have one more part to do.